Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change sound quality mode for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Now you need to scroll down and go to device settings. We are in the sound now. It's amazing. You just scroll down and right here we have at the bottom sound quality mode. Click on it and here's two modes. So prioritize sound quality or stable connection. And by default it used prioritize sound quality. You can swap to stable connection if you have connection instability. Tap on it and then click OK. And we just change to stable connection. If you want to return to sound quality, you need to again enter right here in the sound and click at the prioritize sound quality and then OK. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.